Practical Knowledge presents How to Make a Man Deeply in Love with You. Making a man fall deeply in love with you may seem impossible, but with the right approach, it can be done. If you have met the guy of your dreams, you may wonder how to make him fall deeply in love with you. Although there is no surefire way to get any man to feel a certain way about you, there are certain things you can do that will increase the chances of making him fall head over heels for you. Once you have a man's attention and successfully establish a connection with him, it is essential to maintain that bond and build upon it. This video gives tips to make a man sincerely in love with you. Number 1. Show him respect and admiration. Respect and admiration are the two most essential ingredients in making a man sincerely in love with you. Show him that he is unique and that his opinions matter to you. Don't belittle him or try to put him down. Tell him how much he means to you, compliment him, and recognize his efforts. A man feels appreciated when the woman he loves sincerely respects and admires him. This will make him feel loved and encourage him to be a better man and live up to your expectations. Number 2. Be confident. Nothing catches a man's eye more than confidence. Show your man that you are sure of yourself and have faith in yourself. He may doubt your ability to stay together through hard times if you appear insecure. Men are attracted to women with self-confidence, so show them that you can handle anything life throws at you without batting an eye. Make sure to express your opinions and stand up for yourself without being overly aggressive. Show that you can be independent but still rely on him when needed. He will appreciate it and love you all the more for it. Number 3. Make him feel appreciated. Every person wants to feel appreciated by their partner, so make sure to express gratitude for what he does for you. Compliment him on his physical appearance and even tell him how much you appreciate his help with small tasks. The little things make a big difference, so remember to thank him for his effort in your relationship. Also, try to surprise him with gifts or small acts of kindness to show him how much you care about him. This will deepen his feelings for you and ensure he always knows how much you appreciate him. Number 4. Spend quality time together. Apart from making your man feel appreciated, you should also make sure to spend quality time with him. Whether going on dates or just sitting and watching a movie together, the key is to be present at the moment and enjoy each other's company. Make sure to avoid getting too caught up in work or other commitments that could end your time together. Show him how important he is by setting aside some quality time and focusing on him, no matter how busy you are. This will help strengthen your bond and make him fall even deeper in love with you. Number 5. Don't try to change him. No matter how long you have been together, it is essential to remember that your man is his person and should not be changed. Trying to control or manipulate him to do things your way will only weaken your relationship. Accept him for who he is and respect his decisions, even if they don't always align with yours. Showing that you accept him will make him feel secure and loved, and he will surely reciprocate the same feelings. Number 6. Show your loyalty and commitment. Relationships require trust, so be loyal and committed to him if you want to make him deeply in love with you. Even when times get tough, show him you are there for him and will stand by his side no matter what. This will prove to him that he can rely on you and make him feel secure in the relationship. Additionally, make it a point to show your faithfulness even when he's not around. This will make him realize that you are devoted to him and put his mind at ease. Number 7. Be his friend. In addition to being his lover, show your man you can also be his friend. Being a friend to your man means listening to him, understanding him, and supporting his goals and ambitions. Talk about topics outside your relationship, and make sure he knows he can confide in you when needed. Keep things lighthearted and make sure there is always a friendly atmosphere between the two of you. Doing this will let him see another side to you and will make him appreciate your relationship even more. Number 8. Be honest. Honesty is essential to any relationship, so be truthful with each other. When something bothers you, respectfully tell him so he can understand your feelings. Be open to discussing issues arising in the relationship and work together to find solutions. This will make him feel closer to you because he knows he can trust you not to lie. Number 9. Touch him often. Touch is essential in a relationship, so show your man love through physical contact. Hold his hand when you are out together, lightly brush your fingers against his face when talking, and give him hugs and kisses whenever possible. This will make him feel loved on a deeper level and remind him of how passionate your relationship is. Number 10. Give him space. Finally, make sure to give him his space whenever he needs it. Respect his need for some alone time and let him take a break from the relationship without feeling guilty. Lack of space can lead to resentment and hurt feelings, so make sure your man knows he can take some time off when needed. This will show him you understand his needs and make him appreciate you even more. By following these tips, you can make your man deeply in love with you. Show him that he means the world to you, and make sure to always keep communication open between each other. With patience and commitment, he will surely fall head over heels for you.